guys, in this video we are going to look at how to align elements quite simply in Canva. Again, we're doing it with the free Canva version, so all of you can do it as well. So there are several ways how to align elements. First one, you just click on the element, you click on position, and then you can align it, for example, middle and center, and now it's in the middle. Quite easy. Another thing you can do is you can click on all of them, click on position, and again you can, for example, put them all, align them in the middle. As you can see now, they are on one line now. Again, you can position them as well in the center position, which puts them all above each other. A quite nice thing is, if you know, let's assume they are again back here, and you group them, then you click on position, and now you can align them quite perfectly in the middle from a center perspective as well as a middle perspective, which is quite easy. Yeah, I hope this video helped you to give you a general idea of what you can use. As mentioned before, you also can group and ungroup them, and then define the position for each of them. You also can really use the advanced options, which helps you with really detailed designs. But yeah, it's quite logical because you just enter the width and height, and then it positions the text or the image or whatsoever on your design. Thank you so much. Bye.